Welcome to DJ's first attempt to sub-2 here at Buttonwillow on this cold, wet-ass day.
Yeah, Brian. His last attempt in December, he drove out here on heat-cycled-out, piss-poor A052s and just drove like a civilian here. I mean, what the f***?
He can definitely go faster in the first sections. Dude needs more seat time and a couple of Red Bulls.
And he is really getting used to this trail braking thing, as you see him correcting a bit.
He could have went faster and tighter through bus stop. Lighter on the brakes to fly over that curb, please.
Oh, f***. Same thing here too. Way too conservative. He was faster in previous feeler laps. Maybe it scared the bejesus out of him. Wake me up when he actually goes fast.
His lap plagued with throttle lift. Maybe because he stopped lifting in the gym so much. All that lifting went to the track now.
Too much on the brakes, thinking it is wetter than it is out here. Bet he loved that trail brake rotation.
Is he gonna do it? Oh shit! This fucker actually did it!
He barely even tried. Come back with a 154 and I will be impressed. Also, DJ, your car has more fight in it. Stop being a puss.